Welcome everyone to Tech It Simple. Today's video is for those professionals who are looking for a guide on how to log into the PIP. Just watch this complete tutorial video in order to get logged in. First, you just need to install an app with the PIP. To install that app, just go to your Play Store and search for the keyword PIP app. As a result, you can see an icon of PIP. Just click on it and simply click on the install button. As you can see, the download process of the PIP app has already started on my device. It needs some time to get installed, and I will show you how to log into this app after it gets installed. Just wait for it. As you can see, the app has been installed on my device. Let's open it and show you how to log into this app. You can see it's loading over here, and there is an option for login with BrightSR. Click on it. It will redirect to the login page of Bright. So here, you have to fill in your email address and password. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.